These are some of our other dogs. This is Kato. He's a boy. This is Lola, little girl, and that's Mia. So this is the dad of Lola and Mia. And Daddy, who you've seen, is the mom. Okay, so now, she's just gone in there. Now quickly to the temporary rabbit enclosures. So what we're gonna make is rabbit tractors so that we can move them every day so they have new grass. So that one that you see there with the cream, don't worry, there's not a rabbit in what just fell. So this one is one of the rabbit tractors, but currently we're not moving it because she is gonna have kids soon. So she's just relaxing here. We're just feeding her. There she is. Hello. So she's a Flemish giant. Just sitting in her little house. No! Get out the garden. Okay, we'll disguise that. And here are our, these are lily pillies, which is an Australian native. So we're going to use that for hedging, and so this is an edible hedge. They get little pink fruits, and these are the ones ready. I'm going to eat that, and you can eat those. They say I've never had one, but they say they're pretty good, but even if they're not, like, it's good to have a native hedge, and if you don't like them, I'm sure the birds will like to eat them. And these are, of course, blueberries, which they're quite good size. Just clean it. Oh, one fell off. I'll give that to the chickies. They're pretty sweet. Yeah, they're actually not too bad. Here I'm trying to grow some lavender, which it's working a little bit. And here's our poor loofahs, which we still haven't planted. Yeah, it's not happy. There's Daddy eating wheatgrass. You're such a healthy doggy, but get out of the garden. Come on, get out. Every bloody day she steps in the garden. She just wants to help. Hey guys, you want one? You want one? Oh, you're so shy. There you go. Yes, that's delicious. They're so cute. We might put them in tractors and let them free range eventually. We're not sure. Usually, of course, Charlie would be here, but he's busy digging more gardens. Here are some gardens as well.